Hey guys, and welcome back to Home Decor 101. Today we're diving into a fascinating design matchup: traditional home decor versus Hollywood glam. Now, these two styles are worlds apart. One is rooted in timeless elegance, and the other bursting with bold, luxurious flair. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand the differences, but also discover which one fits your personality and your lifestyle best. Grab a cup of tea, a cup of coffee, and let's get started. So let's start with traditional home decor. Traditional home decor is all about timelessness. It draws inspiration from 18th and 19th century European design with influences from English, French, and even early American interiors. Think of it as a style that embraces balance, symmetry, and enduring comfort. If you've ever walked into a home that feels classic and put together without being flashy, chances are it leaned towards traditional design. So let's talk about how to identify traditional decor. Here are some clear markers for you. When it comes to furniture, pieces are often substantial and built to last. These are quality pieces. Rolled arm sofas, tufted chairs, and wood furniture with rich stains like cherry or mahogany. Also, there's the color palette. Warm neutrals dominate like beige, cream, taupe, and soft grays, paired with deeper hues like burgundy, navy, or forest green. But we don't have to go all one shade here. There are some patterns. Expect to see a lot of florals and plaids, often appearing on upholstery, drapes, area rugs, and even pillows. Now let's talk about accessories. Symmetry here is key. We want it balanced. You'll notice lamps in pairs instead of just one situated somewhere. You're going to see artwork and wall canvases hung in balance, and traditional accents like vases, candlesticks, and framed paintings. Also, there's lighting, chandeliers, sconces, and table lamps with classic silhouettes. They really anchor the room. Now, some of the pros of traditional decor, like I said, it's going to be a timeless style. You never have to worry about this style going out or it being super trendy because it has endured for centuries. Don't worry about it going out next year. This one is here to stay. It's also very comfortable and inviting. Traditional interiors are cozy and functional, perfect for families or anyone who entertains often. I think a big pro here is the resale value of traditional home decor. Homes decorated in this style tend to appeal to a wider range of buyers if you're ever thinking about selling, as opposed to having maybe a maximalist or minimalist style that will turn off some potential buyers just based off of how the room looks. Now, although there are some pros, there are also some cons of traditional decor. The first one would be predictability. Some find it a little too safe or expected. It doesn't have the excitement or the boldness of other home decor styles. Also, some people see the formality of it as a con. Depending on how it's styled, traditional spaces can sometimes feel very overly formal, especially if you prefer casual or modern living. And the last con that I start to see a lot is less personalization. Because it's rooted in rules of symmetry and restraint, it can feel harder to inject lots of your personal quirks and your specific personality style. So if you value a warm, timeless, and put together home, traditional design may be your perfect match. So we went into traditional. Let's talk about Hollywood Glam home decor. Now, Hollywood Glam is a style that really turns up the drama. Hollywood Glam, also known as Hollywood Regency, is a style born in the 1930s golden age of cinema. That's where all the big movie stars really came out and we got to see them. It's all about luxury, sparkle, and bold statement-making interiors. If traditional style whispers to you, Hollywood Glam sings. Loud, confident, and unapologetically glamorous. So let's talk how to identify Hollywood Glam. The furniture is usually sleek, dramatic pieces with mirrored finishes, lacquer or plush fabrics like velvet. Tufted headboards, sculptural coffee tables, and metallic accents are common. The color palette is strong, and strong contrast dominates. So black and white foundations with jewel tones like emerald or sapphire or amethyst. Metallics like gold and brass and chrome are everywhere in this style. Also, there's textures. Layering is essential. You'll see velvet sofas paired with faux fur throws, glass top tables, and plenty of shine. There are accessories in this style as well, and there are a lot of them. Oversized statement mirrors, bold artwork, and sparkling chandeliers take center stage. No detail is ever over the top. That just doesn't exist in this style. Also, lighting, Hollywood Glam thrives on drama, so crystal chandeliers, glossy lamps, and reflective surfaces all play a big role. You know what? In this day and age, when it comes to home decor, when you type in glam or luxury glam on Pinterest, basically what you are getting is Hollywood Glam or Hollywood Regency, just under another name. So let's talk about some of those amazing pros of Hollywood Glam decor. The first one would be a big, bold personality. It's a style that embraces confidence and individuality, perfect for people who love making a statement. The luxurious feel is also a pro. Even a few glam elements like a mirrored side table or velvet accent chair can make a space feel very high-end. And also there's the creativity. Unlike traditional style, glam thrives on personal flair. You can play with colors, textures, and bold combinations. As in the other style, where there are pros, there are also a few cons. The first one would be high maintenance. Glossy finishes, mirrored surfaces, and velvet fabrics can require extra cleaning and care. So whenever a company comes over and you guys are just sitting, all of those mirrored tables, coffee tables, side tables that you have, you're gonna have to go over them with glass cleaner because I guarantee you they're gonna have fingerprints all over them. Also, one of the cons is, I don't consider this a con by the way, but it's not for minimalists. If you prefer understated or calm decor, Hollywood Glam is probably not for you. It's gonna make you feel really overwhelming. Like I said, I don't consider that a con because we're all different people and we have all different styles. Now, one con that could be a con is that it feels dated. When it's done poorly or too heavily, too over the top, glam can slip from chic to gaudy fairly quickly. So if you love sparkle, luxury, and spaces that wow guests the moment that they step in, Hollywood Glam may be the design match for you. Both traditional and Hollywood Glam offer something unique. One is rooted in elegant, timeless comfort and the sense of being familiar with a space, while the other thrives on boldness, luxury, and drama. The best part, you don't necessarily have to choose one over the other. You can even borrow elements from both to create a space that is truly reflective of you. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our home decor deep dives. And be sure to check the description box below for hand-picked traditional and Hollywood Glam inspired pieces that I've sourced from Amazon to help you bring these styles into your own home. And don't forget, whether you choose to rock with traditional or you are vibing with Hollywood Glam, The best thing you can have in your home is a happy family and a sense of gratitude. Thanks for watching Home Decor 101. I'll see you in the next video.